Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious baklava. To begin, gather your ingredients, ensuring they are fresh and of the highest quality. A crucial first step is preparing the syrup. It needs ample time to cool to room temperature before pouring over the hot baklava. This prevents the dessert from becoming soggy. Remember, thin phyllo dough and plenty of clarified butter are key to achieving that perfect, flaky texture. Now let's assemble the baklava. First, ensure your phyllo dough is properly thawed, ideally overnight in the refrigerator and trimmed to fit your pan. You'll typically use about 40 sheets of phyllo. Brush each sheet with clarified butter before layering. After about 10 to 15 sheets, spread a generous, even layer of your finely chopped nut mixture. Repeat this process, adding more phyllo and butter, then another nut layer, and finish with many more buttered phyllo sheets. Before baking, carefully score the baklava into traditional diamond or square shapes. This allows the syrup to penetrate evenly. Bake your baklava in a preheated oven at about 325 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 50 to 60 minutes, or until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color and the edges are crisp. Immediately after removing it from the oven, pour the completely cooled syrup over the hot baklava. This temperature difference is vital for absorption. After pouring the syrup, let the baklava rest for at least 4 to 6 hours, or even overnight, to fully absorb the sweet liquid. This patience is rewarded with a perfectly moist and flavorful dessert. Garnish with a sprinkle of finely chopped pistachios or other nuts for an appealing presentation. Baklava is best served at room temperature. Store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week to maintain its delightful crispness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.